Top 10 Car Wash in Buffalo. 1. Buffalo Car Care Paint Protection Film, Ceramic Coatings and Window Tinting, 4.9 572 reviews, Main Street. 2. One Stop Car Wash, 4.9 327 reviews, St. Francis Dr. 3. South Elmwood Detail, 4.9 318 reviews, South Elmwood Avenue. 4. Main Hand Wash and Detail, 4.7 79 reviews, Main Street. 5. Go Car Wash, 4.6 267 reviews, Union Road. 6. Delta Sonic Car Wash and Oil Change, 4.5 881 reviews, Delaware Avenue. 7. One Stop Car Wash, 4.5 240 reviews, Delaware Avenue. 8. Lutz's Simply Clean Touch-Free Car Wash, 4.5 120 reviews, French Road. 9. Go Car Wash, 4.4 472 reviews, Transit Road. 10. Delta Sonic Car Wash and Oil Change, 4.3 1281 reviews, Niagara Falls Boulevard.